Hi, my friends. Today we have a special Wantable box. This is the Patio Party themed box. And this baby is chock full. So hurry back and we'll dig into it. Okay, I can't wait to get this patio pool party started. I could not gracefully take it out of the box, so I went ahead and took it out of the box before filming. And we've got our usual nice little sticker here. Has my name on it. It's styled for Catherine. Ooh. Our bag to return anything that we don't want. And then description of everything in there. And what I'll do is as I'm trying them on, I will give you all the details about them. But let's see what's in here first. We have 78 and Sunny. Oh, 100. You know what? This was in my wish list. So, and that's the thing. This is like most of the boxes, style boxes. If you go in and like things and put them in your wish or want list, then you're likely to get them. So. Nice sweatshirt for cool patio nights. Oh, the colors are gorgeous. So we've got a jacket. I'm not sure if they realize I live in North Carolina. So unless I'm going to the beach, I do not need jackets. There's not very many days in North Carolina, after, say, April that we need jackets. All right. Oh, beautiful top. Wait to try this on. It's kind of like velvety feeling. See what that material is. I've got a free gift here, it looks like. Oh, this is so soft. This feels like silky. I can get this situated here. We'll see what it is. I'm having trouble figuring out which way it goes. Okay. Nice maxi dress. Very long maxi dress, but I love the color. It's a dark blue with a light blue pattern through it. We'll give that one a try for sure. Oh, we're going to try them all, but. Okay. Got a lot of long things for these nice patio parties. Oh, yeah. Another maxi dress with paisleys. This is soft too, kind of like a soft jersey type material. Pants. Okay. I was thinking they were going to be shorts, but pants. What are they? Dear John. Dear John jeans and a very pretty summery color, which I have been wanting. A summer color for my jeans. I haven't been able to find any that fit the way I like. There's our shorts. Cute. I don't know if I'll like this busyness on my lower half, but we'll try them because they are really cute. Length's not too bad. Give that a try. Let's see what my free gift is. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I got this for $5. They sent me, I got it styled for $5. They sent me a coupon or, a special. And I was like, heck yeah, I'll take it for $5. Some plastic drinkware so you don't break anything on your patio. Very nice. So there's two of them. I like this. In fact, we're going dancing tonight outdoors. I need to take them. Okay, we're going to try these things on and see what works. And hopefully they'll all work. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I wanted to try the shorts on first because I really like the pattern and the colors. So give me your honest opinion. I'm going to back up so you can see them. So I really do. I think they fit great. The length is good. I like the fit. They have front pockets, back pockets. They're cuffed at the bottom. Really love the pattern. It's kind of retro 60s looking with the flowers. This top, I feel like it's kind of fits me strange. It feels like I don't really care for this. I don't know what you think. I love the sleeves. I always love these ruffle sleeves. And it's actually suede. So that's why it was feeling so soft. I've tucked it in, and I'm not really sure that that's the way it goes, and I'm not really sure that it should be paired with these shorts. The colors match between the shorts and this top. However, I don't feel like the styles go together. So here it is untucked. Please let me know what you think. Okay, let me tell you about these. And on my list, it says that I requested all of these. So I think what happened was I probably requested them early in the spring when we were still having chilling nights, and I didn't go back in and unrequest some of the things, which I probably should have. What we have here, my favorites are the shorts, and they are Northampton. I love the Northampton shorts that Wantable sends. These are in black floral, size 30, which is my usual size, Dear John, and they're $69. So I do like the shorts. Then we have, the top is suede ruffle sleeve, top in mustard, size medium. This is Boy Las Vegas is the designer, and $59. Okay. First outfit, well, I don't really know if there's supposed to be an outfit, but the shorts are a winner so far. All right, I hope y'all will forgive me because I have two tops that I own that I want to try on with these shorts, and I want your opinion. This is the white one, and then I have a black top I want to try on with them. And let me know if you think these work and which one you like better. So this is the white top with these shorts, because I'm pretty sure I'm sticking with the shorts. And what I like about the white top with them is it kind of has that same floral pattern that you have in the shorts. So I kind of like that, but I'm not 100% sure. So let me put the black top on, and you can look at that one too. Okay, now here is the black top with them. And I really like this. I think this is my favorite. I think it complements the dark portion in the shorts. And it kind of makes the lighter colors pop, I think. What do you think? I think this is the winner. Winner combination. But I love the shorts. They're definitely keepers. And they're a little bit short for what is my usual comfort zone, but I think they're okay. All right, we got one winner so far. I'm actually back on a new day to continue this Wantable filming. It turns out I did purchase the shorts, and I had to get ready to we were going out to an outdoor dance, and I wore the shorts and this top together, and it was great and nice and cool because it was hot outdoors dancing. So anyway, that was fun, but I ran out of time to film. So I'm back with the Dear John jean. These are Audrey Dear John jeans, size 30. I feel like they're a little bit big in the waist. They fit great in the hips. They're not too tight. So the fit's pretty good. I'm I don't know if I told you, I'm like doing a little extra dancing now and trying to slim down some. So I'll probably be going down in a size. So I kind of hate to buy too many pants right now, and these would be something that would carry me through to the fall. So what I'll do is keep my eye on these and hopefully be purchasing a size 29. The color, I love the color, absolutely gorgeous. I think it looks stunning with the black. Again, this is my own black top, and I think they pair well together. Let me read to you about these jeans. They are Audrey super high-rise wide leg jeans in radiant red, size 30, Dear John, $105. I did want to point out, I appreciate the wide legs. I really like that at the bottom. So beautiful jeans, good quality. I think I'll just keep my eye out to get them again in the fall if they're still available. Okay. While I have these on, I wanted to try on the jackets that they sent with the box. This one jacket right here, the print is so gorgeous, and it goes beautifully with these pants. Again, this could be a good fall item for me. If I was going to the beach, I would have a need for jackets like this. In the fall in the South, we do a lot of chicken stews where you go to people's homes and it's a backyard event and they cook the chicken stew outdoors. And it does get chilly as the sun goes down in the fall. And this would be perfect for that. So I may just keep my eye out for this to hang around. I know I'll probably miss out on it, but I love the colors, how it goes with these pants, just beautiful. Let me tell you about it. And it's not too heavy. It's a nice lightweight jacket. So this is the printed bomber jacket, although it's not heavy at all, in multicolor Henry, size medium. And it's Lily Sedonio is the designer, $79. A good price for this jacket, I think. Okay, then I have the hooded sweatshirt as well. First of all, I love the colors in this sweatshirt as well. It's hooded, nice and warm, of course, like a sweatshirt would be, soft. And it's got a heart here. I guess that's why it's called the heart tie-dye sweatshirt. Anyway, looks, oh, let's try it zipped. Fits great. Fits great, feels good. Pretty tie-dye sweatshirt. And I had this on my list also, so I cannot blame Wantable for sending it to me. I did request it. I've learned that I need to make sure I go back in and unrequest things that I wouldn't want in this particular season. Although a lot of places you would be able to wear this in the evenings. Okay, let me tell you about this and then we'll move on. We have 2 dresses yet to try on. So this sweatshirt, pretty tie-dye sweatshirt, is heart tie-dye graphic hoodie in aqua tie-dye, size medium. It's 78 and sunny and $74. So let's move on. Like I said, we just have the 2 dresses now. This dress is the reason that you should try everything on in your edit boxes, because when I first opened the box, I did not think I would care for this dress, and I love it. It feels silky. It's 100% polyester. Feels so smooth. It's comfortable as can be. I don't typically care for this type of sleeve, but it works with this kimono style dress. It's a little, I feel like this is a medium and I feel like I could use a small. If I got a small, it would probably be a little bit shorter and I wouldn't need heels. And then it wouldn't be quite as loose in the waist. I know this style dress should be somewhat loose, but it's got a little bit too much for me. I'm always afraid that it's going to come open at the top here because it's a little bit large. You cannot pull these strings any tighter. They're fixed where they are because I thought if I could pull them tighter, but it doesn't work that way. It does have strings in the back as well. And I pulled them as tight as I could. Just a lovely dress. I see why it is in the patio party edit, because definitely, wouldn't this be a patio party dress? For sure. The colors are just amazing. And it would go with my handbag. So anyway, I really love this. I think what I'm going to do is exchange it for a small. Okay. Let me read to you about this. It's an apricot dress. It's folk ombre kimono dress in navy. And like I said, I have a size medium, but I think I'm going to exchange it for a small. And then it's $102. Pretty dress. Okay, one more dress left. We'll see how this goes. Wantable is killing me with these dresses. Here's another smash hit. And I gotta tell y'all, I have a Wantable theme box coming. It's on its way. Guess what it is? Summer dresses. So I think I'm in trouble. But anyway, this dress, it feels so good. It's very comfortable. It's a perfect fit. Lovely, lovely dress. Let me tell you about it. So this is the short sleeve wrap dress. It's not a wrap. Maybe they call it wrap because of this portion, I guess. And it says it's in blue paisley, size medium. It's from Wantable, $72. Nice dress. Very, very comfortable, soft. So I think I'm kind of tempted. So from this box, I've already purchased the shorts because I wore them out. So the shorts are mine and I'm happy about that. Then I think I'm going to I think I'm going to exchange the folk ombre kimono dress for a small. And then I'm going to debate about this. And then the kitties are playing. Then I'm going to keep my eye out for those Audrey jeans to stay around and also the jacket. Okay. So this was a fun edit.